How to remove or change background on Capcut PC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. So let's just get right in. First thing you're going to have to do is import a video with a green screen that you want to set as a background or remove as your background. Now, once you have imported the video, you are going to import the background video as well. So let's just do that. And let's say if I want to import this as my background video. So what I'm going to do now is drag this to my timeline and then drag this another video on top of it to add it as a overlay. So I'm going to add this another video to my timeline. But what I'm going to do is drag it up so that it sets as an overlay, adjust its size so that the same length. Now, once your videos are your same length, click on the first option with the green screen, click on remove background, select chroma key, and then color picker. Now you're gonna just go ahead and simply pick your color. Click on it, select this green background, and now you have successfully removed its background. So I'm going to move it up and set this as the overlay. And as you can see now, this is visible and all of the green screen is now removed. You can adjust its intensity as well. So let's just keep it subtle. Now I'm going to move it in the middle of the ocean. So if I play the video now, the background is successfully removed and changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.